And
Tom,
here's,
like Tom.
yep.
Tom.
Is that Tom? Does that look like Grandpa?
No, that's Daddy, right?
Yeah.
Here's Dora's friend.
Dora.
Here's another Dora. Here's a whole bunch of Doras. Here's a Dora. Here's a Dora. She's got a swimming suit on. So where did she go?
I love to swim in the pool.
Put her in the swimming pool. Here's Dora's mommy.
Go swimming. And Dora's in the
Yep. And there's another Dora. Are they all going swimming?
Yeah. Hey, up there.
Up the stairs? Oh, this one can go in the swing. That Dora can go in the swing.
Whee!
Swing, swing. See? She's swinging.
Big house.
A big house. Okay, here's some more stuff. Here's a dresser. Does that go upstairs? Want to put the dresser upstairs? Way up there. That's upstairs. Yeah. Here's, oh, here's a teeter-totter.
Big toddler.
You sit down. Let's see, how can I do this?
Time to go swimming.
Time to go
Dora's in the
swimming.
bath.
Teeter-totter. Don't stay